Hey everybody, we're looking at question number 10 from the L27. A quadrilateral has vertices at -4, 3, 3, 3, 2, -2, and -5, -2. What is the area of the quadrilateral? Use a drawing to justify your answer. Show your work. All right, so let's plot these points, shall we? -4, 3, that means we have to go left 4 and up 3. We have to be very careful with our plotting because one little tiny mistake can really make a difference. We'd get the wrong answer, quite frankly. We have to plot 3, 3, so that means we have to go over to the right 3 and up 3. That's going to go right there. Over 2, down 2. Over 2, down 2. And -5. That means left 5 and then down 2. All right, let's connect the points. I'll use my line tool. And maybe we should make it a particular color, like maybe red, so it stands out. Okay, so we have that connected to this, connected to this, connected to this. By the way, if you're ever doing this on paper, you would definitely use a ruler to connect your dots, because if you freehand it, it's just going to make it enough off where you're not going to be able to really tell what you're really looking at. All right, so do you see that it's a parallelogram? It's a parallelogram. So that means that we need to figure out the base and the height of this thing. Let's write down the formula for a parallelogram, which is area equals base times height. All right, so let's figure out how long this line is. And if we count, this is 1 unit. I'm just going to draw a yellow line. It's 1 unit in length. And if we count how many of those we have, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, there is another way that you can figure out the distance between those 2 points that we talked about in chapter 3. Feel free to use that technique if you have it mastered. Now, the height, recall, has to be perpendicular to the base. So that means we have to be going this way to get the height. And the height, you can find the height anywhere you want between, those 2 lines that are parallel to each other. So how about we look right here? And if we count how many units that is, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. The height is 5. All right, so all you have left to do is to just finish up. What is 7 times 5? Because that's going to be your answer in square units. All right, good luck finishing this up.